Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your PayPal password. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com. Once you are in the website, log into your account by entering your current credentials. After logging in, tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner and tap on Settings icon. Now, under the security section, you will see an option that says Password. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your current password first. Then create a strong new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Remember, your new password should be a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols to ensure maximum security. And that's it. Now you know how to change your PayPal password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.